Importance of heavy construction equipment maintenance Part 1. To avoid job delays, you must keep your heavy equipment functioning smoothly and predictably. You cannot cut corners on maintenance for the sake of your fleet. In fact, maintaining your construction equipment's operation is almost as crucial as using it. Your heavy machinery will not be accessible when you need it if it is not properly maintained. Why is it so important to maintain construction equipment? There are two types of maintenance, reactive and preventative. When your equipment has a problem, such as low oil levels or performance issues caused by impurities in the fuel, reactive maintenance is performed. Even if the system does not entirely fail, it will still have enough issues to require service before it can function at its best. Reactive maintenance is frequently performed after a breakdown occurs, necessitating a quick response to the problem in order to minimize downtime. While this form of repair will get your equipment back up and running, you shouldn't always react to problems. This will put a stop to work on the broken machine until it is repaired. This repair time could take hours or days away from your job, depending on the severity of the problem. Consider taking a more proactive approach to preventative maintenance rather than waiting for portions of your fleet to break down. You will save time and money by servicing construction equipment before it loses efficiency and performance if you prevent problems. Equipment should be serviced on a regular basis to keep it in top shape. Because in the construction sector, running equipment to the point of breakdown causes more difficulties than the minor inconvenience of planned maintenance, preventative maintenance should be your preferred technique. What happens when routine maintenance is performed? When a problem first appears, reactive maintenance actions are performed. Finding the source of the problem and resolving it is the first step in responding to it. If left unchecked, low oil, poor fuel quality, and clogged filters can all cause problems. Checking the rest of the car for expanding concerns should become a part of associated responsibilities if a problem emerges. The specific maintenance tasks will be determined by the vehicle and the manufacturer's guidelines. Most heavy equipment, on the other hand, has engines that require similar inspections. Check the following for regular maintenance of your heavy machinery. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.